Alright guys, here's an unboxing of the iPhone 11 product red that we ordered in the Prime Day sales. This is the cheapest price of iPhone 11 that we have seen so far in India, which is 58,400 after the card discount and additional 500 rupees Amazon Pay balance. Inside the box we have the iPhone 11 product red. Then we have some basic paperwork including the special red card that you get with the product red. Then we have the SIM ejector tool. Putting them aside, we have the traditional lightning earpods. Then we have the lightning cable. And the traditional 5-watt 1 amp brick that Apple should stop shipping. But that's all we have. So that's it.